Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you download and play the games of Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Telegram at very first, and after opening the Telegram, just simply open the Hamster Kombat. And after opening your Hamster Kombat, you will directly get the option of playground at the bottom bar. Simply tap into that playground option and you will get a bunch of games into here. Now you just simply have to choose any of the games that you would like to play. For example, I'm selecting this Chain Cube 2048 game, and after tapping into there, just simply tap to play button. And now it will give you the option to open any of the installers. I'm selecting Google Play, and now I just simply have to tap into this install button and install this game, and I can play this game very easily. This way you can very easily install and play the game from Hamster Kombat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.